Hello guys, Rendhy is here and welcome to Math Hacks. In this video I will tell you about how to solve absolute value equation. Before of that, don't forget to click subscribe button to subscribe my channel. For the example, I will use a question from Introduction to Real Analysis 4th edition in exercise 2.2 number 8. The question is, find all values of x that satisfy the following equation. The first equation is x plus 1 equals absolute value of 2x minus 1, and the second equation is 2x minus 1 equals absolute value of x minus 5. The solution of the first equation is we have absolute value of 2x minus 1, so we can determine it into two forms. The first form is 2x minus 1 if the value of x greater than or equal 1 over 2, and the second form is negative 2x minus 1 if the value of x is less than 1 over 2. We can divide it into two cases. The first case is for x greater than or equal 1 over 2. So we can use 2x minus 1 to change absolute value of 2x minus 1. So it is become x plus 1 equals 2x minus 1. And then we can solve this equation. So we have the solution of the case 1 is x equals 2. And then for the case 2 is for x is less than 1 over 2. So we can change the absolute value of 2x minus 1 into negative 2x minus 1. And then the equation become x plus 1 is equal negative 2x minus 1. For this equation we can solve it, and then we got the solution of the case 2 is x equals 0. Therefore, the solution from case 1 and case 2 in equation 1 are x equals 2 and x equals 0. Then we go to next equation. It is 2x minus 1 equals absolute value of x minus 5. So we have absolute value of x minus 5. We can determine it into two forms like the previous. The first form is x minus 5 if x greater than or equal 5, and the second form is negative x minus 5 if x less than 5. And then like the previous, we can divide it into two cases. The first case is for x greater than or equal 5. So we can change the absolute value of x minus 5 into just x minus 5 without absolute value. So we have x equals negative 4. And because x is equals negative 4 is not satisfy x greater than or equal 5, so there not exist any solution for case 1. And then we can next to case 2, and the case 2 is for x less than 5. So we can change the absolute value of x minus 5 into negative x minus 5. So the equation is become 2x minus 1 equals negative x minus 5. And if we solve this equation, then we get x equals 2. Thus, because x equals 2 is less than 5, so the solution of case 2 is x equals 2. Therefore, the solution of equation 2 from case 1 and case 2 are x equals 2. So that's all that I can tell to you. Thumbs up if you like it and thumbs down if you don't like it. See you for the next video. Thank you.